Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with progressions of class 10. Example 11. If sum of the first 14 terms of AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, then find 20th term. What they have given? Sum of first 14 terms is 1050 and its first term A is 10. Now the question is A20 is equal to how much? This is the question. Now we know that sum to n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here sum to n is 14. That means n value is 14. So 14 by 2 into 2 into a is first term, that is 10, plus 14 minus 1 into d. Okay, that means 2 ones are 2 sevens are. S14 is 1050 is equal to 7 into 20 plus 13d. 7 into 20 plus 13d. That means 20 plus 13d is equal to 1050 by 7. Multiplication becomes division. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 0. So 20 plus 13d is equal to 150. So 13d is equal to 150 minus 20. 13d is equal to 130. So what is d? 130 by 13, 10. D is 10. So you have got A and D value. Now the question is you need to find out A20. A20 is equal to A plus 19D. A is how much? First term 10 plus 19 into D is 10. That is 10 plus 190. 200. Therefore, A20 is equal to 200 is the answer of this problem, children. So, let me explain once again. They have given that sum of first 14 terms of AP is 1050. Sum of 14 terms is 1050. And first term is A, that is 10. You need to find out A20. So what is given? Sn is given. Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S14 is equal to 14 by 2 into a is 10 plus n is 14 minus 1 into d. That is 1050. S14 is 1050 is equal to 2 7 that's 7 into 20 plus 13d. 14 minus 1 is 13. Now I have sent this 13 here, 7 here, so division. 20 plus 13d is 1050 by 7, that is 150 I got. So 20 plus 13d is 150. 13d is 150 minus 20, that is 13d is 130. D is 10 I got. Now the problem is A20. A20 means A plus 19d. So A plus 19 into 10, that is 10 plus 190, that is 200. 200 is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now the next example, children. Example 12. How many terms of AP must be taken so that their sum is 78? So AP is 24, 21, 18, so on. Here A is 24. What is D? 21 minus 24, that is minus 3. Then what else they have given? Sum to n terms. is 78. Now the question is, how many terms should be taken? What is n? This is the question, children. You need to find out n. So we know that sum to n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum to n terms 78 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. So that means, let me send this 2 here, that is 78 into 2 is equal to n into 24 2s are 48 plus minus 3 into n minus 1 minus into plus minus 3 into n 3n minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3. That means 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 1 15 is equal to n into 48 plus 3 51 minus 3n. That means 156 is equal to 51n minus 3n square. That means 3n square minus 51n. I brought these two here. Left side. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Plus 156. I am taking this from the same side. So it will be plus only. So each term is divisible by 3. So let me take 3 as common. 3 into n square minus 3 1s are 3 7s are 17n plus 3 5s are 3 2s are is equal to 0. So n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. This 3, when it goes the other side, it is divided by 0 by 3 is 0. So here 13 4s are 52, 13 plus 4 is 17. So n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. N into n minus 13 minus 4 into n minus 13 is equal to 0. That means n minus 4 into n minus 13 is equal to 0. If n minus 4 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 4. If n minus 13 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 30. So any value in these two you can take, children. This is the answer given here. So let me take this problem once again. How many terms of AP? 24, 21, 18. So that must be taken so that their sum is 78. How many terms if you take, we will get 78. So let us see. The given AP is 24, 21, 18, so on. So in this A is 21. D, common difference 21 minus 24, that is minus 3. Sum to n terms is 78. Your question is, what is n? We know that sum to n term is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum to n terms 78 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into a is 24 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. So 78 into this 2, I sent it here. It becomes multiplication. So 78 into 2 is equal to n into 2 into 24, 48, minus into plus, minus 3 into n, 3n, minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3. So 156, 78 2s are 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 115 is equal to n into 48 plus 3, 51 minus 3n. That means 156 is equal to n into 51, 51n minus 3n square. I brought these two on the left side. So minus 3n square has become plus 3n square. plus 51n has become minus 51n. This as it is, because from left side we are taking to left side. So no change in the sign is equal to 0. So in this 3 is common. 3 into n square minus 3 17s are 51 plus 52, 3 52s are is equal to 0. 3 when it goes here 0 by 3 is 0. So n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. 52 when you write, you can bifurcate it. Split the middle term as 13 4s are 52. Both minuses, so you'll get plus. When you add these two minuses, minus 17n will get. So splitting is correct here. So n into n minus 13 minus 4 into n minus 13 is 0. So if n minus, here n minus 4 into n minus 13 is equal to 0. If n minus 4 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 4. If n minus 13 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 13. So 4 and 13 are the answers for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now, example 13, children. Find the sum of first bit, first 1000 natural numbers. So what are the first 1000 natural numbers? First 1000 natural numbers. What are the first 1000 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 1000. Now we want to find out sum of 1000. Sum of 1000 natural numbers is how much? So in this case, n is equal to 1000, a is equal to 1, d is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now, in the earlier case, when I was dealing with the property and the derivation of the formula, if last term is given, sum to n terms can be written as n by 2 into a plus l. This formula I told you. So since they have given last term 1000, I am using this. This is equal to n by 2, n is 1000 by 2 into a is 1 plus last term is 1000. That is 1000 by 2 into 1001. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 0 0. That is 2 zeros, 5 ones are 5, 0 0 5. Therefore, S10, S1000 is equal to 5 0 0 5 0 0. This is the answer. This is first bit, children. And second bit, they have asked first n natural numbers. So what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to n. So here a is equal to 1, d is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1, and n is considered as n only, last term. So we need sum to n terms. Sum to n terms is equal to n by 2 into a plus last term. That is n by 2 into a is 1 plus last term is n. Therefore, sum to n terms is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the answer, children. And this has become a formula also. Sum of first n natural numbers formula, it's a very important formula. N into n plus 1 by 2 is a very, very important formula, children. So let us see this. Now the problem is first n terms of numbers, natural numbers. So natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to n. A is 1, D is 2 minus 1, 1. N is n only we have to take. Sum to n terms is n by 2 into a plus l. This is the formula because the last value they have given as n. So n by 2 into 1 plus l. So sum to n terms is n into n plus 1 by 2. So sum of first n natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is a very important formula. Basing on this, we are developing a formula sum to first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula is very important even for objectives also, children. Please note it down. This is example 13. Now the next one, children, example 14. Find the sum of the first 24 terms of the list whose nth term is given as an is equal to a plus 2n. So we have got an is equal to 3 plus 2n. An is equal to 3 plus 2n is the formula. So let us take this. An is equal to 3 plus 2n. Now if n is equal to 1, then a1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1, that is 3 plus 2, that is 5. And if n is equal to 2, then a2 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 2, 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. If n is equal to 3, then a3 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 3. 3 plus 6, that is 9. If n is equal to 4, then a4 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 4, 3 plus 8, that is 11. Therefore, the series is, what are you getting? First one 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. So, if you see this series, we should say whether it is in AP or not. So, let us take 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. So, there is common difference. With this, we say that D is 2. Therefore, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on is in AP. We have understood that this is forming AP. After finding out, they are asking sum to first 24 terms. We want sum to 24 is equal to how much? Here A is equal to 5, D is equal to 2, N is equal to 24. So, sum to 24 terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus, first I will write the formula of sum to n terms. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, sum to 24 terms, 24 by 2 into 2a plus 24 minus 1 into d. D is 2. That is equal to, this is 12. 12 into 2 into, what is A? A is 5. So here itself I can write 2 into 5. That is 2 5s are 10. I can write here 10. And 2 into here n minus 1. This is 2. 24 minus 1. So 10 plus 23 into 2. So 12 into 10 plus 2 3s are 2 2s are 4. That is, so this means this is equal to 12 into 56. 12 6 are 72. 60 67. Therefore, S24 is equal to 672 is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Once again, the explanation. Find the sum of the first 24 terms of the list whose nth term they have given. Nth term an is equal to 3 plus 2n. So if an is equal to 3 plus 2n, first if you take n as 1, a1 you are getting as 5. A2 you are getting as 7. A3 we are getting as 9. A4 we are getting as 11 on substituting n value. First we need to find out whether it is whether the series forms in AP or not. So we have found out A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. All have given the same common difference to, therefore this all will form AP. If it is in AP, then yes, 24 is how much they are asking, sum to 24. A is 5, common difference is 2, and n 24 terms they are asking, n is 24. So general formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So yes, 24 is equal to 24 by 2 into 2 into a is 5 plus n is 24 minus 1 into d is 2. That is 2 12s are 12 into 5 2s are 10 plus 23 into 2. 12 into 10 plus 46. That is 12 into 56. 672. So yes, 24 is equal to 672 is the answer, children. Please note it down. Now, example 15, children. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in seventh year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find production in first year, production in 10th year, total production in first 7 years. So, production in third year, they said that production in third year is production in third year is equal to 600 sets. So you can consider it as A3 is equal to 600. That means A plus 2D is equal to 600. The first equation. Next, 700 sets in 7th year. That means production in 7th year is equal to 700 sets. That means what? A7 is equal to 700. That means A plus 6D is equal to 700. This is second equation. So take second equation and subtract first equation. A plus 6D is 700. A plus 2D is 600. So when you subtract, these two will get cancelled. 4D is equal to 100. So when 4D is equal to 100, D is equal to 100 by 4. 4 2s are 4 5s are. So D is 25 we got. Now A plus 2D is equal to 600. So A plus 2 into 25 is equal to 600. A plus 50 is equal to 600. A is equal to 600 minus 50, that is equal to 550. A means production in first year. Therefore, production in first year is equal to 550 sets. So this is first bit answer, children. This is first bit answer. Now, second bit is the second one is production in 10th year. That means A10 is equal to how much they are asking. A10 is A plus 90. A plus 90 is equal to A is 550 plus 9 into D is 25. So 550 plus 9 5s are 45. This is 5 here. 4, 18, 22. So how much you are getting? 5, 5 to 7 and 7. 775. So therefore, production in 10th year is equal to 775. This is the answer. I have third bit to do, children. After you copy it, I'll do the third bit. Once again, let me explain. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in third year and 700 sets in seventh year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find. They are asking, means what? They said that the common difference exists. Production in first year you have to find out, production in 10th year, and total production in first 7 years. So first bit is production in first year I am doing. Production in third year is 600 they have given. That means A3 is 600, A plus 2D is 600. And production in seventh year, how many? 700 sets. That is A7 is 700, A plus 60 is 700, second equation. So these two equations, if I solve, I got D value as 25. For D is 100, D is 25. Now substituting D value in any one, I took this A plus 2D is 600. How much I got? A plus 2 into 25. A plus 2 into 25 is 600. A plus 50 is 600. A is 600 minus 50, 550. That means production in the first year is 550 sets. So this is production in first year. Now, production in 10th year. That means A10. A10 is A plus 90. That is equal to 550 plus 9 into 25. 550 plus 925 is 225. So that is 775 is the answer, children. Please note it down. I hope I am clear. Please note it down. Now third bit, children. Third bit is total production in first 7 years. This is what they are asking. That means what? What is sum to 7 is equal to how much? We know sum to n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this case, we have got here n is equal to 7. And what is a? The value of a, we have got a as 550 and common difference D. Common difference D is 25. We got n is 7, A is 550, D is 25. So sum to n terms we have to find out. Sum to 7 times. 7 by 2 into 2 into 550 plus 7 minus 1 into 25. Now, that is equal to 7 by 2 into 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 1 11, 11 100 plus 7 minus 1 6, 6 into 25, that is 7 by 2 into 1100 plus 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 3 15, 150. 7 by 2 into 0, 5, 2, 1, 12, 50 you are getting. That is, so 7 by 2 into 0, this is 5, 2, 1, 1250. 2 ones are 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. That is 7 into 625. That means how much am I getting? 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 7 6 are 42, 43, 4 3 7 5. Therefore, total production in first 7 years is equal to 4375 sets. This is the answer, children. So let us check once again. Now here total production in first 7 years means sum to 7 they are asking. So sum to n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is a 7 they are asking. A is already we got 550, D is 25. So S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 into 550 plus 7 minus 1 into 25. That is 7 by 2 into 2 into 550, 1100 plus 6 into 25. That is 7 by 2 into 1100 plus 150. 7 by 2 into, this is 0, 1250. So 2 6 are 2 2s are 2 5s are 7 into 6 25, that is 4375. So total production in the first 7 years is 4375 sets. This is the answer. Please note it down, children. With this, I am going to conclude my part today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.